Hey everyone, in today's video I am going to help you achieve a flawless base by just using a concealer and compact. For the longest time I have avoided using foundation, especially on really hot humid days, and I only spot conceal and use a compact powder after that. So in today's video I am going to help you achieve a flawless base by just using a concealer. So let's get started. Point number one is skincare, which is very critical. You have to have a cleansing, toning, moisturizing routine twice a day, morning and evening. And you need to do this consistently for some time. In order to get a flawless base, you need to have a good skincare routine. The better your skin, the better your base is going to sit. You also have to make sure that you exfoliate your skin. So exfoliate twice or thrice a week. And also on the day you want to achieve a flawless base or you have a special occasion, make sure that you have exfoliated and moisturize your skin before that. So I have nothing on my skin right now. Like you can see, I don't have intense dark circles or dark spots, but I definitely need to spot conceal. I have exfoliated my skin in the shower and I'm going to apply a moisturizer right now. The moisturizer that I'm going to use is the Lakmé Absolute Argan Oil Radiance Oil in Cream. This is slightly heavy and I want to use this because my skin is feeling a little dry right now. The next step is primer, and for that I'm using the Lakmé Absolute Undercover Gel Primer. Use a primer on the T-zone area. This will help the concealer to latch on better and make your base last longer. It will also smoothen textured skin and bumps out. Moving on to color correction, and I'm actually going to be showing you guys a hack. For that I'm going to be using the Lakmé Absolute 3D Matte Peach Pink 06 lipstick. In case your dark circles and dark spots on the skin are really intense, then use a peach to orange color corrector depending on your skin tone. If your dark circles are more intense, then choose a deeper colored orange color corrector. Pick a concealer that matches your base exactly, and you can also pick one more that is slightly lighter to highlight the under eye and high points of the face. I'm gonna go in with the shade that matches the skin tone first. Using a beauty blender, I like to spray a little bit of setting spray on it and go in pressing motion. I only press and don't sweep for maximum coverage. You can also use your ring finger to blend. And this is how it looks once I've blended it all in. I'm going to use a lighter shade on areas I want to highlight a bit more and blend again. I've also gone ahead and mixed both the two concealers to highlight the area right under my eyes. I use a compact that matches my shade pretty much exactly with a medium-sized brush and apply it only at places I need the concealer to sit properly. I leave it there for some time like baking and then dust it off. I'm also adding a little bit of the Lakmé Absolute Flutter Secrets Dramatic Eyes Mascara. This is just going to open up my eyes and give my makeup a fresh look. So I went ahead and added a little bit of blush to add some color to my skin. I have mascara and lipstick on, and that is it. You do not need a foundation sometimes. You can achieve a flawless base with just having a good skincare routine, 2 shades of concealer, a little bit of color corrector and a compact powder. So I hope this video has helped you guys. If you have any questions, please put it down below and I will answer them for you. I hope you all like this video. I will see you guys very soon. Bye!